It's late. I should be home. Mariah's waiting. Is it true? Am I becoming a father?
Congratulations for becoming the Vice Director of Sales, Mr. Mark Wilson.
No, not in our bedroom.
Darling, your colleagues is waiting. Should I? What are you two doing?
Linda just have told me that her company are deciding to sign a contract with mine. Seems like I'm the one to take care of it. So I was about to give her a thankful hug when you came in.
Yeah, that's right. It's a huge deal, so don't mess up.
It's great. Thank you, Linda. I know we can always count on you. Anyway, we shouldn't let your colleagues waiting, dear.
Anne put a shirt on. I was terrified to find a half-naked man going around in my bestie's bedroom.
It is my bedroom too, you know. You should eat more. You must have been exhausted preparing the party.
Thank you, my dear. I'm too full right now.
Come on, it's for the baby.
I want to sleep here tonight, darling.
Sure, I'll prepare the guest room for you. She's too drunk to drive. Is it okay with you to let her stay?
Of course, my dear. Let me prepare the guest room. You should have some rest.
No way. I'm not sleeping in the guest room. I must sleep with you in your bedroom. It must be me.
She's always like this when she's drunk. Sorry, dear. I guess you'll have to sleep in the guest room tonight. Can't be reasoning with her when she's being like this.
It's okay, dear. I'm planning to stay up late for the project anyway. Just make sure her craziness won't harm you and the baby.
Go get changed. Linda, your dress is full of wine. I'll get it cleaned for you in the morning.
Your taste of clothing is awful. This explains why Mark gets bored.
What are you saying?
Kidding. Have a good night.
Good night, Linda. Come, have some breakfast, you two.
Good morning, my dear.
What are we having for breakfast? I'm starving.
Scrambled eggs and bacon. Where have you been, Linda? I didn't see you in bed, so I thought you woke up and left early in the morning.
Right. I saw her passing out in the bathroom. So I carried her all the way to the guest room before going for shower.
So that explain why I woke up in the guest room. Naughty Mark. Yummy. It looks great and tastes awesome at the same time. You were born for this, Mariah.
Mariah have always been so good at these. She is the wife material I was looking for.
Yeah, right. Eat fast, you'll have to drop me at work. I planned to get drunk yesterday, so I didn't drive here.
Drive safety, you two.
I'll be home later, darling.
See you soon. Okay, I get it. I'm not good at housework. So I'm just your mistress.
All right, all right. Look what I got you in the bag.
What? A divorce petition form. Nothing can make me happy unless of that. Oh my God. How did you know I love it? How did you get it? This is the limited edition. There's only 2 of it in the state. How?
Not just that, check the box again. The room is your birthday. I had it booked for the next Saturday. We'll be together this weekend, just the 2 of us.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mariah. How are you and the baby? All good?
We are all good, Mom. Thanks for caring. We have scheduled for a prenatal care this Sunday.
Oh, you want me to take you to the hospital? I would love to see the baby.
Thanks, Mom. It's Mark's day off this weekend, and I guess he'd be waiting to see the baby, too. I'll take video for you, all right.
Oh, all right, dear. Take care of yourself and the baby. And go out sometimes. Don't be just a full-time housewife like me. I'll see you later, darling.
Okay, Mom. See ya.